So let's see what happens if I have odd exponents. So we haven't really graphed one of these yet, but we can do it pretty quickly. And again, I'm just going to sub some points, and I have x cubed. So I'm going to just do x cubed. If I sub in a 0, I'm going to get 0. If I sub in a positive 1 cubed is 1. If I sub in a 2, positive 2 cubed is all the way up to 8. So I'm going to go all the way up to 8. So it's raising pretty fast. Positive 3 cubed would be 27, so that would be much higher. So on my right side, it's increasing pretty fastly. Kind of did a slower increase to 1 and then shot up. Okay, on my left side, if I do negative 1 would be 1. Sorry, negative 1 would be negative 1. So I'd have a negative 1. Negative 2 cubed would be all the way down to negative 8. So that'd be all the way down here. And again, negative 3 would be all the way down negative 27 off of my paper. So I would be decreasing pretty fast. So my x cubed is going to look something like that. If I do x to the fifth, it's going to kind of follow the pattern that we had with the even exponents. I'd still have the 0, 0. I'd still have the 1, 1, and the negative 1, negative 1. But then as it got closer to 0, 1/2 to the fifth is a lot closer to 0 than 1/2 to the third. So it just flattened out a little bit. Then it would increase again a lot faster and decrease a lot faster, but it still looked generally the same. So all of my odd exponents kind of have this shape. If I flip them over the fraction bar, so if I have a negative in front of them, that means it reflects over the x-axis. So if I have a negative in front of them, let's do negative x cubed. Still have 0, 0, but instead of going up when it goes to the right, it's going to actually go down when it goes to the right, because it's going to flip that over the x-axis. And instead of going down when it goes to the left, it's going to flip over the x-axis and go up to the left. So it looks something like that. Again, just a sketch, so something like that. And negative x to the fifth would still be this. So a little flatter, I guess. But really just kind of flips again over the x-axis. X to the 11 would be the exact same thing. It would be kind of what happened to x to the 10, where it'd be flatter, again, around a 0, and increase a little higher, but still have the exact same shape.